up, guys? So today we are gonna be installing my new QCY rear camera. And basically we have the old one installed from a freebie, but I'm gonna be installing this new one. And apparently it's not compatible with the other camera, so I tested this out. And we're gonna be wiring it. So this is more of a tutorial or walkthrough on how I wire my camera. And as you can see, this one works properly. So yeah, let's be wiring. Let's go wire this. So I want to start here. And basically we remove this leather stripping. And all we need to do is just line it up through here. As you can see, let's turn off the dash cam. Here, all the way here. And through this loop again. There's a hole right here. All we need to do is put it through that. Then we get through the other hole. This is your weather stripping here. And usually what others do is they have a wire to make it easier. But we're just gonna be using this. There we go. So others use that wire to feed it through, but you can still do it manually. Let's put it through here. Through here. Then we're almost done. Too. Round. Right there. Right here. Here. Shortcut. I have a cable tie here. Okay, there we go. You can remove it temporarily. Put these screws aside. Now we can feed the camera cable through here. So we have the other one installed. So now we can install the other camera. So let's close this first. Alright, so I got my screwdriver here. I'm just gonna remove the old one. Also glued in here. There we go. Now that's removed. So this is the old one. Then this is the QCY, which is a lot. Okay, so it looks like it has the same size. This one's a lot higher quality. protective lining later. So we can insert this right here easily. Then we can open it and grab the other side. You can see it just fits there perfectly. And we can wire it like that. Again. If it works properly, then we can finalize and clean. Okay, let's test that out. And it works. Okay, so as you can see, the rear and front camera works here. There we go. SD card's full, but yeah. Alright, now that's working. Let's clean up all the wires. Now that we know that it works, we'll first install electrical tape here as well as cable ties just to ensure safety. As you can see, our wiring is perfectly clean right here, and it is all beautiful right there. Let's see. Alright, look at our wiring. Cable tie here, all the way there, and perfectly here, right here inside, and goes inside there. So now all we need to do is finish the other side, and we are good to go. We just need to close this up as well, so yeah, let's do that. It like that. After that, we can also put this. Okay, so now we're gonna, after installing this, we install this first. There it goes. This is the one that's below it. There we go. Seal the front side. There's your camera, and the door works perfectly fine. You have this weather strip. Just close that. Make sure this goes inside there. I just need to get inside there. Alright, so we have all the wiring done. This one's sealed, this one's sealed. Now for the final proof, let's close this up. And then let's remove this part, the safety seal. Alright, let's test it out in front. Okay. Our reverse camera works. As you can see, the dash cam works perfectly fine. We have the front and the rear, both front and rear, and it is working as expected. So yeah, that's about it. It's that easy to install your own dash cam. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.